Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find ferry routes on your Google Maps. Now, quick one guys, to do this, first of all, first go ahead and locate an area that you want to find those ferry routes. Now, for this case, using this place. And now to find those routes, come and click on this direction. Now, once you click on the directions, you can see over here, guys, that you need to choose the location. Now, the location here, I'll choose Milan, metropolitan city over here in Italy. And then the destination, I'll choose Turin, metropolitan city, also in Italy. Now you can see guys that once you do that, you'll be able to see the ferry routes or the available routes. Now for this case, for this specific destination, it offers the train routes. And for this case, the train routes is for 1.5 hours. But if at all there is also the ferry routes, you'll be able to see them obviously listed down. Now for the ferry routes, in most cases, they're available in island areas. I can go ahead and try out to check out some island areas and see the ferry routes. Now, for my case, I live in Milan and this is the possible way. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe.